What's up, YouTube? Got this 1965 Mustang. Ripped all of it off. Front end. All the old suspension. Get ready to do a coyote swap in it. Rear pressure regulator is going to get changed out. As you know, LS's and Coyotes take 58 psi fuel pressure. So it's not even going to start up. It's a nice little car though. Yes sir, it's a nice car. See, it's going to paint this body harness. Already got it run to the back. It's got a Teletronics digital dash in there now. Took all the old gauges out. Rebuilt the gauge cluster. I'm gonna run a drill a hole here. I'm gonna run my wire to the inside of the independent wheel up in there and put a grommet. It'll be a cleaner look. Keep a lot of wires off the engine bay. Clean up all of that. You won't see any of this stuff. Shock towers leaving. You get ready to plastic cut those on out. All this going out. Stay tuned for that over there too. It's LS swap with a T56 transmission. My personal car. It's gonna be a turbo car. It's a 14 Mustang GT. And that Coyote motor came out that Mustang and going to this 1965 for a customer. Alright. I'm back here to turn you off and get the cutting and get things going. Alright. Alright, I'm back. Got the shock towers cut out. Got this more grinding, clean up real good. Gotta take everything out the firewall. Take the battery tray out. Skin placed in the back of it. Gotta cut the old sway bar mounts off, both sides. The thing about doing a tubular front right here to support the frame. Thing about it, may go ahead and do it. It only helped the customer out, so let me see. Let me get the welding these plates on after I clean up the frame real good and see how this Coyote sit in there. Oh yeah, master cylinder coming off. I got a wheel wood master cylinder going on there. That's coming out. He's going vintage aired, and a couple of months when the kit comes in, I gotta move the old power steering, well, the unit off of there. Move all the fuel lines, all the new brake fuel lines going on the car. New brake lines going on the car. So, yeah, if you want to do a Coyote swap on 1965 Mustang, be prepared to do a lot of work now. All right, I'll get back with YouTube in a second. All right, we got the looking at the suspension stuff, man. Just it's gonna look good. Now it's not centered. I just placed it on there. Still gotta notch the outer frame rails. It's gotta be 24 1/4 from front to center your core spring. And it's be a nice car, man. This is good old LS swap over there. Expand turbo. Trim it T56 transmission going in there. Well, it's already in there, so like I said, still gotta clean the firewall up. Gotta clean all that crap up, take all this off. That's the old pedal. Got electronic pedal going back in there. Through all these dope holes, fill in all these holes on the firewall, welding plates. Grind it down, smooth it out, and paint the engine bay the same color of the car. So I'm painting frame rails, maybe black, and come back up with the green around the interior part of the frame rails. Might if I paint the exterior, if I get around to it. So it's gonna be a solid car. Got to do some billet oil pump gears for the Coyote. Just crossing them. We got the Coyote swap plates. Just mount to the side of the motor. Just mount to the cross member. Close to the cross member. Mount to the Coyote. Got a road bushing in there. Slides down and sits in place on the cross member. We're going with the Volvo electric power steering pump. Got to clean it up. Wire it on in there. Put a relay on it. Put a power steering. I still got to remove this off of there. The gearbox. And we'll have to make something that goes to the cross to the rack and pinion, so it can mount to it. Yeah, you know, it costs some good money to do it right, but like all this wiring crap, you getting rid of all of that. Clean engine bay, do what you want. You don't want all that crap wires everywhere, and just clean, neat, car show ready. All right, I'll get back with you soon. All right, I'm back. Got the tacked in already. Got a notch for the coils. Still gonna cut the little piece off right there. Make sure we don't have any kind of interference with it. It's 24 1/4 front here. And you measure to the center on each one, so you want to be kind of even on each side. Get this rolling. Next one, mark this up and see where it sits in there. All right, I'll get back with you in a second. Yeah, so far I got the suspension in. Trying to clean up the firewall, trying to fill in some of the holes on the firewall. Cutting it out, putting in a plate. I'm gonna put 3 layers of a 16 gauge, should get some strength. Got the original radiator gonna sit in there, got it frame knots on so it can sit down. And take those out so it can sit a little lower. Got the electric power steering pump, gotta clean it up. It works, test it out, it works fine. Probably run the lines down, go across, and feed in over there. Got the Ford 8.8. Came out of truck, a 93 F-150, I shortened it. And it tucks in pretty good on the car. Yeah, look at the inside of the car, it's a mess right now. Let me get to this trans tunnel, but the 8.8. The wheel sits in. It's gonna tuck nicely. So we getting We getting it. We got the wheel wood pedals. That's what I wanted to show you. That's one of the master cylinders here. Got all three of them. It's going for the wheel wood pedals. When you put it in there, you want to set it with a steering column. You want the pedals to sit right beside the middle of it. You gotta have to open that bad boy wide open, huh? Yes, sir. That's a big boy main transmission. But we're gonna get it together. We're gonna get it. All right, turn it back on in a second. Little update on this 1965 Mustang. I did a Coyote swap in with an mt82 transmission. I did the Wheelwood 3 pedals. Let me turn around so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Here it is. Don't worry about this wire, it's gonna be hidden. It's for the oil pressure center unit for the digital dash. It's gonna be soldered and heat shrink. Just gotta wire up this electric fuel, power steering pump. Got your brake lines running down there. And to finish up on this side over here. Painted by me. It's a little dirty right now. Gotta paint the core support. We got a 2014 Mustang GT radiator in there. Heat shrink this wire already for the AC when the compressor kick on. There's a Mustang 2 front end in there. Welded all that in, and let me see. Yeah, it's the chrome steering column. It's time for me to go ahead and make the trans tunnel and finish with the wiring in here. Has a digital dash in it, so y'all get to see that. Hold on, let me go ahead and turn it on for a second. Hold on. Clean my screen. So, it's a clean little Mustang. We'll have to make another center console for it. Just the original. It's holding the steering wheel up right now until I mount this. I gotta drill it and make a plate for it so it can hang down far enough. But yeah, it's coming together though. So yeah, we're gonna have this thing up and, well, it cranks up and run now. Just finished this little odds and ends. Got the floor out of it, got the battery relocated to the rear. Got a Ford 8.8 out of an F-150. 31 spine axles have been shortened, so you can tuck whatever wheels he want. Getting tongue-tied, I ain't good with cameras. So, yeah. I'll get back with YouTube after a while.